world.
I'm doing it.
Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. Guess who we've got? It's Tool Girl Hana.
Hi guys.
Hi, Hannah.
Hi.
Jeez, okay, I'm going to put a little covenant in here. I'm going to lose concentration. I'm not going to be able to follow the plot. You can see why. Damn. Always a problem when you're around, Hannah.
Oh, sorry about that, Andy.
Now, if that's okay, now you've broken the first rule of the Andy Mechanic workshop. Any ideas what that might be?
No.
Well,
Sorry.
okay. Well, we have a new rule since
Okay.
since you last frequented the workshop and gave me a hand.
Yeah.
Tool girls have to wear an Andy Mechanic Tool Girl shirt.
Yay.
So,
Exciting.
fresh from Invercargill, it only arrived yesterday. You get your own personal Andy Mechanic shirt. There you go.
Woohoo, thanks, Andy.
So you need to put that on, please,
Right
Hannah.
into it.
I reckon.
Okay.
Now, there's only a very few number of these around the world at the moment. They're pretty exclusive, so you should feel quite
Should I
privileged.
rip this off?
You've earned every stitch of that shirt, Hannah.
Thanks. Looks great. Okay.
Cool. Well, get it put on, girl. Oh my word! Holy shit! I should have known you'd have done that.
So wait a minute, I'll undo some buttons.
Well, oh, you feel free to stay naked for as long as you like, girl. YouTube are going to write to me that you realise that now. They're going to send me millions of complaint letters.
Complaint letter.
Yeah.
Okay, so here.
Sorry, gentlemen, for this sudden outbreak of nudity on the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. It wasn't planned at all, I can promise you that, but
Well, you know,
I'm not complaining.
we didn't prepare this.
Hannah
earlier.
seems quite fine with it as well, by the looks of it.
Hang on. I gotta get these buttons.
You got it?
No.
Are you
gotta
good?
Get 2 more buttons.
Well, I would come and give you a hand, but I might get an eyeful, so I better stay here.
Oh, here we go.
Fantastic. That's more like it. That's what we want to, oh my word, that's what we want to see.
I like it.
Suits you, doesn't it? Good job. So it does have some buttons at the front if you want to use them.
Oh,
But you
right.
don't have to use them if you don't want to. I mean, that's fine, but I might have to do some pixelation at some point.
To go. Yeah, that's what
Oh, that's nice.
we need.
Well, there you go, crew. It looks like Tool Girl Hana now has the official Andy Mechanic shirt. I'm going to have to take a break and go and cool down a little bit very shortly.
Okay, we'll just get this.
I've been waiting for a long time to see Hannah in that shirt, I tell you. I really have. It's great having her back. So we're going to be filming all day today. We've got lots and lots of videos to get under our belt.
Okay.
But give us a twirl, Hannah. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. Easy. Any last words on this video? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Just need to
Cool.
have some little fillets there or something to jack these babies out.
Oh man,
It's all
it's going to be
good.
so much fun editing this one. Okay, crew. Well, actually, we need to do a little sign out now, don't we? There we go.
Okay.
Look at that. In uniform.
And I love it.
It's great, isn't it? It's very cool. Very
Cool.
smart. Okay, crew. Well, this is only a short video, but I knew you couldn't resist Hannah getting a new shirt. So if you enjoyed the video, why not click on the subscribe button? You'll see a little gear icon. Click on the gear icon, and then you can turn on notifications, and our friends down at YouTube will send you an email as and when I upload any new videos. You'll also find me on...
Facebook, Google, Instagram, and Twitter.
You sure will. Feel free to communicate through any of those portals. But first point of contact, if you don't mind, through the comments on YouTube. Oh, and lastly, since your last visit, we've got a new patron Patreon account.
Oh yes, you told me about it last time. Yeah,
we've got a new
that's right.
Patreon account, so you can click on the Patreon account on the page, and you'll see some information, some background information about the channel,
Yep.
up and coming stuff. And if you fancy donating, then donate. Go for it. We've got a few on board now, which is absolutely fantastic. Really appreciate that, guys.
Do it.
Yeah.
Do it.
Okay, crew. Well, we'll see you next time. Cheers. Over and out.
Bye.
Oh my word. Missed that. I missed it and forgot all about it, actually. Okay, guys. See ya.
See ya.
Until girl Sam. How are you?
Back.
You're back. Fantastic.
So long.
I know, and I've got a new shirt, so I thought it's only right that I give you a new shirt too. So there you go.
So excited for my new shirt. Then I don't have to wear different shirts every day. And as a classic Tool Girl Sam move, I am going to wear it like this. Wow, would you look at that? I'd say that is a great present for your girlfriend if she's into tools. If she's not, she's probably into tools because you're a tool. See what I did there? Tool girl shirt, perfect.